Okay guys, this is a video about how to make your cash flow plan for the next month. So the easiest thing to do is to copy and paste the work that you already did. The work that you already did. So what I'll do is I'll copy these cells, Control C, and then maybe skip a couple columns, and I'll put them right here, Control V, and make them a little wider here. If you want, well, here we go. So make this a little wider. And now here, this is going to be the next month. So instead of October, this is going to be November of 2012. And then you should delete the things that will change. So like gift from the grandmother, that's going to change. And here you put in your new number. You know, this month you didn't work as much, so you only made $800. You will definitely delete all this here. So delete. Don't delete the formula. This one should not delete. So I would recommend that you put these cells here different colors than these, so you don't delete them by mistake. Delete these here that you spent. All right. And now you. So this is suppose this is at the end of October. This is October 30th, and you just put in all these values here for your expenses that you actually spent in October, and now you plan for the month of November. And when you make this plan, you have to look at your previous month and make the adjustments. For example, here I planned for 300, but I actually spent 350. So I should plan better this time and say, you know, I spend a lot on restaurants, so maybe I should change this to 360. And on groceries, I didn't spend that much in groceries. I budgeted 350, but that was too much, so I should change this to 250. And my rent, it was 210, so this month I should not leave it 200. I should make 210. So you gotta make these little adjustments here, and you know, and here, for example, there's toiletry. Well, I didn't plan anything for toiletry. Is zero, but I ended up spending money. So, you know, I need to put I should plan something for toiletry. So maybe $5. And then once I do that, I'll the nice thing is this: the total spent here automatically uh, tell me how much I spent. And once I delete this here, uh, this will also show me, oof, I'm already at negative $34. So this means either I have to work more this month, or I have to make some changes and be disciplined. Um, Now really we want to start with our savings. So I'm going to put money for my emergency. So I'll put $100 here. When I do that, I'm even more negative. I'm negative 134. So that means I have to adjust my lifestyle and spend less money on restaurants. This is going to be a challenge because I overspent here already, but I have to. So let's cut everything here a little bit. Um, let's cut this to 300, and the groceries. How are we doing down here? Alright, so I still have 74 on the negative. So groceries change it to 200, and well, this is a problem. Still down $24. So that means I'm gonna have to cut my savings here because I have to eat. Um, so we'll put here 76. Nope, it can be 76. Alright, so this is kind of a simple version, but it gives you an idea. You should copy and paste things over here and then make adjustments and make sure you end up with a zero budget here. And over here on the actual spent, this should be totally blank because we're at the beginning of the month of November. So at the end of the month of November, you're going to put numbers in this column, and then you will copy and paste something over here. You will copy and paste over here. All these stuff, we'll put it over here. And then you write December 2012, and then make the adjustments, and so on and so on. So, just to give you an example, here's a budget that another student did, and they have all the months here. See, December, January, February, March, and it keeps going. So you want to have all the months side by side next to each other. Here's another example. This is another student. They didn't use as many colors, but you see, this is the month 1, and this is the month 2, and then this is the next month, and January, February, and they have all their categories and their totals and their savings. So you want to have it like this, one month after the other, with everything kind of lining up.